Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something that a lot of people don't want to hear. Something that isn't flashy, it's not trendy, and definitely not what social media likes to glamorize. But it's real. And if you understand this, it will change everything about the way you chase your goals. And the thing is, success is boring. Yep, you heard me right. Success is not about fireworks, adrenaline, or motivational highs. It's about discipline, routine, repetition, doing the same things over and over again, even when you don't feel like it, especially when you don't feel like it. And that brings us to the big truth that most people overlook. You don't need more motivation. What you need is more discipline. Now I know motivation feels good. It's that rush you get after watching an inspiring video or hearing a great quote. It pumps you up, makes you feel like you can take on the world. But the thing is, motivation is temporary. It's emotional. It comes and goes. You can't rely on it because it's not consistent. You might wake up tomorrow and feel zero motivation. Then what? That's where discipline comes in. Discipline doesn't care how you feel. Discipline shows up anyway. It doesn't matter if it's raining, if you are tired, if you are not in the mood. Discipline gets the job done. And that's what separates successful people from everyone else. Not talent, not luck, and not motivation, but the ability to do the work even when it's boring, uncomfortable, or inconvenient. Let's be honest. No one wants to hear that success is boring. It's way more fun to chase quick wins. We want excitement. We want instant gratification. But success, real lasting success, it's built in the quiet hours when no one's watching. It's built in the early mornings, the late nights, the missed parties, the repeated routines. Success is built in boredom. You don't need to feel inspired every day to take action. You just need to build habits and systems that run even when you don't feel like running. Think about that. Most people wait for the right moment to act, the right mood, the perfect energy, and the ideal situation. But high performers, they don't wait, they act regardless. They have built discipline like a muscle. They have trained themselves to keep moving forward, whether it feels good or not. And that's what you need if you are serious about your goals. Let me give you an example. Let's say you want to get fit. The first few days, you are pumped. You have got your gym playlist, your water bottle, new sneakers, and you're ready. But then day 4 hits. Your body's sore, your energy is low, you don't feel like going. That's where most people quit. Why? Because they were running on motivation, not discipline. Discipline is the voice in your head that says, I don't want to go, but I'm going anyway. Discipline is choosing to meal prep when you'd rather order pizza. Discipline is opening the book when you'd rather scroll Instagram. Discipline is saying no to distractions so you can say yes to progress. And here's the thing, once you build discipline, everything else becomes easier. You stop relying on motivation, which is unreliable, and instead rely on systems and structure. You create routines that run even when your emotions don't cooperate. Look around at people who have achieved something great: athletes, entrepreneurs, artists, leaders. They didn't get there by being motivated all the time. They got there by showing up consistently, even when they were tired, discouraged, or bored out of their minds, because they understood that success isn't a sprint, it's a grind. It's slow, it's repetitive, it's showing up and doing the work brick by brick, day after day. There's a quote I love: "We are what we repeatedly do." Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Let that sink in. Success isn't some big dramatic moment, it's the result of small actions repeated consistently over time. And yeah, it's boring sometimes. Writing every day is boring. Going to the gym is boring. Studying instead of binging Netflix is boring. But that's the price of success. And most people aren't willing to pay it. They want the results, but not the process. They want the rewards, but not the routine. So, if you are serious about achieving something, anything, you have got to fall in love with the boring. You have got to impress the grind. You have got to become someone who doesn't need motivation to get things done. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You don't wait until you're motivated to brush, right? You just do it because it's part of your day. It's a habit. It's non negotiable. That's how your goals should be: non negotiable. Here's a simple truth: motivation gets you started, but discipline keeps you going. Motivation is a spark, but discipline is the firewood. And if you want to keep the fire burning, you can't rely on spark alone. You have got to have something steady that keeps feeding the flame. So, how do you build discipline? Start small. Set a simple, clear goal you can stick to daily. Show up at the same time every day. Remove distractions. Make it easier to do the right thing and harder to do the wrong thing. And when your mind says, "not today," answer back with "especially today." Track your progress. Celebrate small wins. And most importantly, keep showing up even when it's boring, especially when it's boring, because that's the test. That's when it counts. And over time, something amazing happens. The boring things, they become your superpower. While everyone else is waiting for inspiration, you are moving, you are growing, you are making things happen. So let's flip the script. Let's stop chasing motivation and start building discipline. Let's stop looking for the next inspirational quote and start writing our own story. Let's stop romanticizing success and start respecting the boring work that builds it. Because the truth is, discipline is freedom. When you have discipline, you don't have to wait on feelings to act. When you have discipline, you become unstoppable. When you have discipline, you build the life you actually want. So, the next time you feel bored with your routine, remember, boredom is not the enemy. Boredom is a sign you are doing the right things. Boredom is the road to mastery. Boredom is where success is born. You don't need to feel good to do good work. You just need to keep showing up day after day, hour by hour, brick by brick. That's how greatness is built. Thanks for watching. If this message hit home, drop a comment and let me know. What boring habit are you going to commit to today? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real talk that helps you grow. See you in the next one. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and keep building. Success is boring, but it's worth it.